Take a look right here, down and down and down. So this foam block is absolutely excellent. As you can see over here, this is top-notch material altogether, and I really like the way it actually feels. Plus over here you can pick it up and you can move it. I've been using it for target practice and it's excellent. This is really good, by the way. Let's see that coming out. So I shot BBs into this all together, and it's holding up pretty good. So right under here is where I shot this right into. As you can see, the BBs stuck in here, and it worked very well for my purposes. You can also use this for shooting arrows. You can also use this to shoot darts at this as well, and it's great. I mean, the material itself is very good. It is really a foam block, and it's a really heavy duty foam altogether. It's kind of a big block too. Safety first off. Like James Bond knife. Yeah, James Bond. Very accurate. Go ahead and check it out. Yeah, pretty good. Awesomeness. And the best part about this is that how easy it is for you to take it and bring it to places, because you can just take it just like this and lift it up. So it's not really too heavy either. It looks good. It is very nice material all combined. Every one of the sides has a different design to it, so you can see how it actually looks like, which is kind of like the clubs and spades all combined over here as well. So all kinds, every single one has a different design to it, makes it look really unique and awesome. Right there. Really good, huh?